This is what I deal with when I'm unloading the dishes. What are you doing in here? What are you doing?
Is it Bogey? Because I don't want him on the bar.
What are you doing? Why are you so fascinated with this? Why? Why are you so fascinated? Huh? I gotta get this stuff out. Hard to do this with the camera. Whoa, almost stabbed myself. That would've been good. What are you doing? Why do you like this so much? You wanna go in there? Is it like a cave? This is what happens when you don't go outside. You get all bored. And you have to entertain yourself somehow. Yeah. Hey. Talk to me. Say hi. You? That was kind of vicious. She says, I will kill this thing. I will kill it. Like right now.